We open a bottle of Diet Cola and place it near the ground. We fasten some tape to the end of a paper tube and fill it with a pack of mints. We place a plastic card over the top of the tube and flip it over. We line up the tube so that when the card is removed, the mints fall straight into the bottle.